Hello friends, this is Tommy Murray, and today I'm going to show you how to access the class of 2022's new multiple intelligence assessment. On Thursday and Friday of last week, students in values took a self-assessment on their multiple intelligences, and we did some training on how they can utilize the resources to help them make good choices on study strategies and how they could be operating along their days at CDH to be most successful. The program is going through Naviance, so if you start on the Naviance homepage, the first thing we're going to do is go to the current 9th grade class by clicking on Class of 2022. Then we just find a student that we're looking for, score, and when we click their name, we'll then drag to the assessment tab, and the students take the MI Advantage. When we click open the MI Advantage, we see a list marked high to low and some descriptions about what some of their strengths and areas of improvement could be. Clicking on the full report will give us a better understanding of the multiple intelligences and how this student's profile is unique and different ways that we can help them be successful in our classroom. There is the class of 2021 in the same Naviance program. I'll forward you the results for the other two classes. If you have any questions, please email me or come see me, and thanks for watching.